We got something super special for you today. It's a Talbert traveling axle. Also, if you're going to be down at the Orlando Tow Show, we'll be down there next week. You can meet me, Brandon, Tim, or the real stars of the show, which are these trailers. There'll be Talbert will be there, Landau will be there, Fontaine will be there, Trail King will be there. A lot of people that are known in the specialized equipment trailer and wrecker recovery and towing industry will be down at the Orlando Tow Show. So today we have a Talbert 4050. It's a 40 ton. So this thing will carry a cool 40 tons traveling axle trailer. It's got a 36-inch loaded deck height. You can buy these trailers at the best dealership known to man, which is TM Trailer Sales. You can call 888-LOWBOY1 or that number right there, 305-9071. A lot of people are huge fans of this toolbox. Inside the toolbox, you got your hydraulic controls, you got your suspension dump, your winch clutch release, and then more options for dock levelers down below, which this trailer is not equipped with. They really like the position of this toolbox. So it's a lockable toolbox right there where your control panel is. It has a Ramsey 20K winch with a heavy duty guide on the front. It has an airbag tension plate on it, keyhole slots in the center, and side rails all the way down the trailer. So you got the keyholes there to chain down to. This portion right here is your roller for your winch cable. And then it has a beautiful Apatong flooring throughout the unit. It's really windy out here today. Daniel, show them the remote. Can you pull it out a little? So on the remote, you have winch in, winch out, axle forward, axle back, and tilt up, tilt down. Now we're going to go ahead and we'll kind of feather it. We'll bring those axles forward and feather the bed up. As you're bringing the axles forward, you usually will tilt the bed as you're doing it, so that way you don't put too much weight on the undercarriage. A heavy piece of equipment on top of there, you don't want to push the axles back under the load. You want to kind of get the weight on top of those axles. So now you can see as you've got that deck up, the bed goes up, it gets you to that deck height. Can you tilt the bed a little more? And then when you're at the right point, if you got that bed up in the air, that winch cable will go right over that roller. So you can see here is the tilt cylinders and the slide cylinders are there. The undercarriage there, aluminum rims with oil bath hubs. But as you have that bed tilted, you can get 40 tons from the ground all the way up onto this unit. If your piece of equipment is not operational, you just hook the winch to it. Again, it's a 20K winch, and then you can winch your equipment right up on here, all from the safety of the remote control. Can you go ahead and slide the axles back? All right, so we got the trailer back in the pocket. Got new little mud flaps on there. I really like the lighting in the back with these little kind of daytime running light rings around them. They also have the chrome bezel. Here's this strobe light for your flashers in the back. Here is the centralized grease system in the very far back. So it indicates wet roller, slack adjuster, spider bushings, all the different things, a lot of the big points for you to be able to grease it all from one area. And then here's kind of where the cylinders go underneath of the trailer. It has two cylinders that facilitate that long stroke. And then right here is the E-chain or the cable carrier. They have an actual metal e-chain on this trailer to kind of, or it'll keep all your wires and hoses, electrical and air hoses, nice and neatly as that axle rolls forward and back. So I hope to see you guys at the show, and hopefully we'll get to meet all the people there.